Hi dears, how are you? Yes, I hope that you're all fine. Welcome back. This is your GK class and the last class in this year. Okay, today we are going to see in the revision session because next week we are ready for the essay 2 examinations. Okay, dear. Before that, I ask some questions to you. See this, which in this image, four glasses are there. Okay, in which glass has more water in it? For example, glass A, one scissor is sink inside of the water. Then option B, sorry, yeah. Glass B, one paper pen is inside of the water. Glass 3, one magnet or whatever, one eraser inside of the water. Then a glass D, wa- watch. Okay, which watch is inside of it? Can you say which glass has more water? Do you have any idea? Yeah, very good. Yes, option B is the correct answer. Why? Because compare with the others glass water, it has small things only. Okay, small things occupied small spaces. That's why it is the correct option. Okay, dear. Then let us come to our revision session. The first one is butterfly. Okay, life cycle of a butterfly. Do you like we are all like butterfly very much. Then butterfly is a flying insect. Okay. Then how many legs it have? Yeah, butterfly has 6 legs. Then how many wings it have? Yeah, it's have 4 wings. Then how many parts? How many body parts it have? Yeah, commonly it's have 3 body parts. What are there? Yeah, first one is head, the second one is thorax, the last one is abdomen. Okay, so the butterfly have 3 body parts. Okay, dear. Then can you say life cycle of butterfly? How many stages it have? Yeah, butterfly life cycles contains 4 stages. The first one, butterfly, the adult butterfly lays the egg on leaves. Then the caterpillars come out from the egg. Okay, hatch out and come out from the egg. Then what is its first food of the caterpillar? Yeah, but caterpillar eats the eggshell firstly, then it eats the milky weed plants. Why it eats the milky weed plants? Yeah, because it wants to save from the enemies. Okay, that's why it's eat the milky weed plants. Then it's go to the pupae stage. Okay, it's go to the pupae stage. Caterpillar is the active stage of butterfly. Okay, pupae stage is the resting stage of butterfly. This is the most important sentence. Okay, dear. Then finally, after the pupae stage, the butterfly is come out. Okay, this is the life cycle of butterfly. Then can you say how many legs its lays? Yeah, a butterfly can lay able to 500 eggs at a time. Okay, then what is the lifespan of butterfly? Yeah, 4 to 6 weeks or 1 to 1.5 months. Okay, dear. Then see this. Can you guess what's this topic? Yeah, 7 wonders of the world. Can you say what are there? Yeah, Taj Mahal, Chichen Itza, Colosseum, Petra, then Machu Picchu, the Great Wall of China, then the Christ Redeemer. Okay, we all of us know very well about that. But can you say where the Great Wall is located? Where? Yeah, in China. Okay, dear. Okay, where is the Taj Mahal located? Yes, Taj Mahal located in India. Okay, then Chichen Itza. Where is the Chichen Itza located? Chichen Itza located in Mexico. Then where's the Petra? Where the Petra is located? Yeah, Petra is located in Jordan. Okay. Machu Picchu is located in North America. Christ the Redeemer? Yeah, Brazil. Christ the Redeemer located in Brazil. Colosseum located in Italy. Okay. Then now we have to tell the facts about the Taj Mahal and the seven wonders of the world. Yeah, Taj Mahal is located in India. It was built by whom? Yeah, the king Shah Jahan. Very good. Then what is the special? It's full of built by marbles. Okay, white stones. Then in morning time we have to sing the Taj Mahal in which other color? Yeah, pink color and white color and metallic colors. Okay, okay, dear. Then what is the facts about Chichen Itza? Yeah, Chichen Itza. If we stand in front of the Chichen Itza and clap our hands, means the sound is here like a snake smell. Then if we see this Chichen Itza, means we can see the snake's body. Okay, it is the special in Chichen Itza. Then Colosseum means it is the world biggest stadium. Okay, world biggest stadium. In one each time we can sit more than 50,000 people at a time. This is the special in Colosseum. Then Petra. Petra actually it is located in a desert place. Then it's created by only one path, only one rock. Okay, it is the special in Petra. Machu Picchu. Yeah, Machu Picchu is hidden city. We all of us know that. Machu Picchu is hidden city. From the earth, from the land, it was being a 700 feet above of the mountain. So this is considered one wonder of the world. Then what's this? The Great Wall of China. Okay, Great Wall of China. What is this special in this place? Yeah, this path is created for the safety purpose. Okay, the enemy countries don't want to appear their country, means then that's why only they are make that. But nowadays it was destroying because of the peoples carry out the stones for their routine life uses. That's why it is the broken one. Then what is the kilometer? How long it was going? Yeah, 8,000 kilometers. Okay, dears. Then Christ the Redeemer. It is the statue is denotes the peace. Taj Mahal is denotes the love. Okay. Why it's denotes the Christ the Redeemer statue is denotes this peace. And what is the height of that? Yeah, it is the 83 feet. Yes, 83 feet. And it is the highest height of this statue. Okay, okay, dear. Then come, yeah, this is the next chapter. Which are the monuments special in our country? First one is Taj Mahal, then Hawa Mahal, Golden Temple, and Raja Prithviraj, yeah, the King Prithviraj Temple, then Red Fort. Okay, these are considered as the famous monuments in our country. Okay, we already known about the Taj Mahal. Then Hawa Mahal means it is called uh, breeze of winds. Okay, breeze of winds. Then it have how many floors it have? Yeah, 5 floors and how many windows? Yeah, you have to tell that. Okay, dear. Then what is the special in Golden Temple? Yeah, the upper layer of the Golden Temple, the upper part of the Golden Temple, fully manned by pure gold. Okay, this is the special in Golden Temple. Then if we want to go to the temple, means we want to go downwards, because it's realized that whatever we are the very richest man or poor man, we want to go downwards, like that it was denotes us. Okay, okay, dear. The next one, yeah, about birds. we all of us like birds. Then in this lesson, we are learn about the parts of what are the parts it's have, what are the beaks, what kind of beaks it's have, what kind of feet it's have. Like that, we are all seen in the FA 3 portions. Okay, okay, dear. Then see this one. What is this? Yeah, it is called sailfish. Why? What is the special in sailfish? Yeah, this is the fastest sea animal. What? It is the fastest sea animal. The fish name is sailfish. Okay. Then which animal has longest neck? Yeah, giraffe has the longest neck. Okay. Then which is the smallest bird in the world? Yeah, honeybees are smallest bird in the world. Then what is the food of honeybees? Yeah, nectar. What is mean by nectar? Yeah, nectar means the honey come from the flowers. Okay, if the honey come from the the juicy liquid, the juicy sweet liquid is come from the flower means that is called nectar. The juicy sweet liquid come from the beehive means that is called honey. Okay, okay, dear. Then the hummingbird, only the bird can fly the backwards, but nowadays we can't see that. Why? Yeah, because of the pesticide. Okay, because of the pesticide and fertilizers also. Okay, dear. Then which animal has the largest heart? Yeah, whale has the largest heart. What is the weight of the whale heart? It's more than 200 kilograms. Okay, okay, dear. Then which is the largest bird in the world? Smallest bird means hummingbird. Which is the largest bird? Yeah, largest bird means, yes, very good. Ostrich. Okay, the ostrich egg also largest egg in the world because it is the too hard. If we stamp on this, the ostrich bird's egg means the egg can't broke. Okay, okay, dear. Then see the difference between, you have to write you have to think the difference between the cheetah and leopard. Cheetah have which kind of skin? Yeah, cheetah have circle, uh, small dots considered as a circle. This is cheetah skin. Then how the leopard has skin? Yeah, leopard skin is look like a small black dots, but cheetah have a big circular dots compared with the leopard body. Okay, okay, dear. Then we learn about the branches of science. Branches of science. What is the branches of science? Yeah, science has many branches. Then it's have each parts must have some particular field of study. For example, if we studied about plants means, what is the name? Yeah, what? Plant means botany. Animals means, if we studied about animals means, that is called, yeah, zoology. Commonly, if we studied about both plants and animals and organism means, that is called biology. Okay, okay, dears. Then, what is the scientific name of? What is the name of studied about earthquakes? Yeah, it is seismology. Okay, yes. If we studied about the heavenly bodies means, how can we call that? Yeah, that is called astronomy. Then, if we studied about insects means, how can we call that? Yeah, that is called entomology. What? Entomology. Then, if we studied about relation of plants and animals and with your surroundings means that is called what? Yeah, ecology. What? Ecology. If we studied about relation of the plants and animals surrounding of us, that is called what? Ecology. Okay. Then if we studied about insects means that is called entomology. If we studied about heavenly bodies means that is called astronomy. Then then if we studied about structure of the plants and animals and human body, we are consider, yeah, how many bones we have, how many legs we have, like that we are all reading now. Okay, that study name is called what? Can you guess? Yeah, that study name is called anatomy. What? Anatomy. And then the scientific study of earthquakes, I already told that. What? Seismology. Then the scientific study of diseases are called pathology. What? The scientific study of study of diseases are called pathology. Okay, dears. Then I forgot to say something. What means? Can you say which is the beautiful butterfly in the world? Yeah, beautiful butterfly means blue morpho. Okay, blue morpho is the beautiful butterfly in the world because the weathers are very pretty and beautiful. It's have more huge amount of colors. That's why we are consider blue morpho is the beautiful butterfly in the world. Then can you say which is the dangerous butterfly in the world? Yeah, very good. Antimachus swallowtail. This is the dangerous butterfly in the world. Why we say it is the dangerous one? Can you say? Yeah, because its body must have some amount of what? Toxins, poisons. Okay, these poisons are equal to kill the 6 cats at a time. That's why this is considered as a dangerous butterfly in the world. Then it was we can see this butterfly in Americas. Okay, dear. Then can you say which is the king of the butterfly? Which butterfly is called king of the butterfly? Yeah, the what? Monarch butterfly. Monarch means, what is the meaning of monarch? Monarch means king. In Tamil, Mannan. Okay. So Mannan means king, Raja. We know very well about that. So monarch butterfly is considered as the king of the butterfly. We can see everywhere the butterfly. Okay, this is them very pretty and beautiful butterfly also. Okay. Okay, can you say the largest member of the cat family? Yeah, what is that? Tiger. Very good, yes. Tiger is the largest member of the cat family. Okay, name the animal with the largest ear. Which animal have largest ear? Yeah, elephant. Commonly, we know two types of elephant. One is Asian elephants, the another one is African elephant. Uh, Elephant has the largest ears. We know very well about that. In elephant, which kind of elephant have the largest ear? Asian or African? Yeah, definitely African elephant. African elephant has large ears compared with the Asian elephant. Okay, dear. Then you have to tell the smallest water animal name. What is the smallest water animal name? Can you think? It's look like one delicious food. We also eat that. Yeah, zooplankton. Zooplankton. We are all eat the prawn gravy, prawn fry, prawn biryani like that. But this also look like a prawn, but this name is zooplankton. Zooplankton is the smallest water animal in the world. Okay. Can you say which is the smallest mammal in the world? Can you say? Yeah, bat. Okay, bat is the smallest mammal in the world. Uh, can you say bat is a oviparous or viviparous animal? bat is the only viviparous animals. Okay, but it's do not a hair on its body, but it's do not lays the egg. It's give the babies. Okay, that's why we are consider this is a what viviparous animal. Then it is the smallest mammal in the world. Okay, dears. I think this is enough. If you have any doubt in the questions, you have to contact me. Okay, thank you. All the best. I'll do the exam. Do your exam in your best way.